Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Crime Scene Cleaner game on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. First you have to open up the Steam website and just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top. And now here you have to simply log in with your account. If you don't have an account, then just simply create one. Once you created the account, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here you can simply download the Steam and install it into your PC. This is very simple and easy process. Then just simply open up the Steam, log into your account, click on the top search box and just type here the Crimes and Scene Cleaner game. And here you can see these are the two versions. You can also download it for free. If you want to buy it, click on the first version of the Crime Scene Cleaner game, scroll down, click on the add to cart option, and once you click on that, now click on the view my cart option. You can buy this game with the $7. Just click on the continue to payment option, and here you can simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, once you pay the amount, click on the library option you are seeing on the top. Now here in the Steam library, and after paying the amount, you will see the Crime Scene Cleaner game. Just click on that, click on the install option, and just simply download and install it into your PC. This is how you can download and install the Crime Scene Cleaner game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.